Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. Now, if you watched my recent videos, you'll have seen this tray. I absolutely loved it. I made it into a cake stand. Yeah, lovely tray, but I've not used it in resin. So, I was thinking I'd use this black. It's like black holographic glitter. Now, I'm gonna do the rim first. And I'm definitely using it in that. Might do something different in the middle. I'll come to that when we come to it. What I mean is I've not thought what I'm going to do yet. So anyway, we will do the rim. I've got some resin mixed up. I'm using Tea Expert resin and I've mixed up 150 mils. Let's have a see what this looks like. Oh, that's nice. That should be enough, hopefully. Oh, nice. I'm going to be popping a bit of clear PVA glue in this again. I think we need some more. That's not going to be enough, is it? Plenty more. I think the editor would disagree, but there's never too much, is there? Too much glitter. Tempted to put a bit of silver in that as well. Oh no, it is pretty. Perfect. Perfect. Nightmare. Has anybody found a nightmare cleaning glitter off these silicone pots? I absolutely cannot stand that job. Alright, let's give it a pour. Ooh, comes out in big strings. I'm hoping this is enough. I'll clean all that centerpiece up once I've poured it. Got it on my thumb. Yeah, it is going to be enough. Not decided if I want to use it for the full tray. It's just a really beautiful tray, this. And I'm going to go around the edges because it's corrugated, the edge. You do tend to get air bubbles. So I'm going to go around there. I should have sprayed it really. Just a bit more. I just want it so it's level with this flat piece. Right, let's see if we can clean this up. Oh yeah. I went to my mum's the other day and she said, oh, I've got something for you. I thought, ooh, present. That's nice. Everybody likes a present, don't they? And it was an handful of these plastic forks. Now, I'll not say where she pinched them from. I said, you can't be taking an handful of them forks. She said, well, I did. She said they're for your resin, which was very sweet of her. But a bit naughty, nonetheless. Right, I'll clean all them up. I'm going to get a micro brush and I'm just going to run around there because, like I say, these corrugated moulds done off, the bubbles are unbelievable that stick to it. So just shake it about, and it's glitter as well, which causes bubbles. There we go. Hopefully that'll be alright. Keep my fingers crossed. I'm going to clean all this up because I've got it around the edges as well. And I'll be back once it's cured. I've mixed up 250 mils of resin. I've decanted 50 mils, so there's only 200 in here. And all I'm going to do is, I've decided the black's so beautiful. I'll show you how I know. The leftover resin from there, I always put in a keyring mould. I've got resin on it now. And that is beautiful. Absolutely lovely. I was going to put a different colour in, but that's so pretty that I'm going to do it all in that colour. So I want plenty. Let's see how much, what that does. Probably need more than that. Such a lovely glitter. I do prefer a chunky glitter than a fine one. What do you lot prefer? Let me know in the comments if you prefer fine or chunky, or you're not really bothered at all. I think we need a bit more in that. I can see the stick through it. Ooh. I'll leave a bit for another project, although I think I'll get another one of these. They're so pretty. I do like black. I know I shouldn't really say that, should I? I like colours too, but black is so lovely. Right, we'll give it a pour. I've now got glitter all over me, all over the craft room. I'm not putting any glue in this time because it's not very thick. You know what I have to do, so I think it's going to be fine. Oh, that was a perfect amount, wasn't it? Good grief. I'm proud of myself. There we go. Let's give it a spritz with alcohol. I put plenty of bubbles in that. And all we're going to do is let that cure. Right, ready for demold. Let's have a look what we've got. Like I say, I've done this in aquacast, but I've never done it in resin before. And as soon as I did it in the aquacast, I thought, I've got to do this in resin. It's fabulous. Right, let's get it out. Nearly out. I've made a decal for this. I don't know whether I want to leave it just as it is or whether I want to put the decal on, but I made it nonetheless. Let's have a look. Oh, it's a bit bendy. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my, that is pretty. I will show you the decal. Wake up and makeup. I thought it could be a makeup tray. Now I am going to make, oh, have I got it? I'm going to make a little pot for makeup brushes to sit in it in the silver holographic glitter. So I do want this central, but I don't want the pot to cover it up. So I'm a bit, I don't know. I think that's central. Let's get that down. I made this on my Cricut. I've done it in, it's a chrome vinyl, and I got this one from Hobbycraft. It's not a brilliant vinyl, I've got to say. I did have some HTV Ront chrome vinyl and it was fab. I don't know if you noticed, it was peeling up when I was taking the transfer tape off. There we go. I'll keep that transfer tape. We do have another part to this vinyl. Some lips. And they go just there. go. Fabulous. Got an air bubble there. It really is rubbish vinyl. And I have other Hobbycraft vinyl and it's absolutely fine. I do always think though, if you're going to be using stuff like this vinyl to make decals, you do need to buy decent stuff. What do you think? Now I'm going to do a very thin top coat to seal that in, and I'm going to make the pot. So I'm just going to go and mix some resin up and I'll be right back with you. Right, I've mixed up 250 mils of resin and I'm going to be using this pot for the makeup brushes. Hopefully it won't cover the writing up. Nope. Right, I shall just give this a top coat first. Please excuse my jug. There didn't actually seem any point me cleaning all the glitter off until I completely finished. I think I might just pour it. I don't want to take away the depth of the tray, but I want enough to cover it. Let's shift it around. I wonder if anybody would like a makeup tray looking like this. I don't wear makeup, so there's no point me keeping it. I'm sure somebody will like it. I'm doing a craft fair shortly, so I will take it with me. Like I say, we don't want it too thick. That's right. Now let's see if I can do something with this useless vinyl. Worst vinyl in the world. Right, doesn't seem to be pulling away from the edge anyway. Let's go over it with a lighter. I see that vinyl's popped up again. Honest to goodness. I think that was the last of it though, so don't have to worry. I won't be using it again. Oh my goodness. I can see I'm going to keep having to go over that. I didn't put any glitter in the top coat because there didn't seem any point. There's absolutely loads in that. Right, let's move this over to the side. Right, let's dollop a good amount in. Let's see how that is. I might put some glue in this, I don't want it to sink. Oh, that's good. That is good. Let's get a few drops of glue in. Give the glue a shake. Quite a lot of resin this, so put a fair amount in. It doesn't drop like a normal glue bottle, it sort of runs. I don't know whether that's because of the weather or not. Pop a bit more just to be sure. I'm making a mess today, aren't I? There we go, look at that, that's perfect. Right, still plenty left. Good grief. I'm going to go around it with a micro brush because we'll probably get little bubbles. There, pockets there. Nice little pot this. One of the early ones, one of the first I bought when I started using eco resin. Just a useful little pot. There's no lid to it. Right, let's give that a squidge at the bottom. Don't want any air pockets there either. Gently, should have done this before I filled it. and we'll just let this cure. I had enough to do another of the corrugated ones, so we've got 2 to demold. Let's have a look. Not too bad on the bubbles front. I think this mould has been used so much for aquacast that it's not shiny anymore. I think that's probably, I mean, it is kind of shiny, but yeah, not brilliant. Let's have a look at this. This one might be alright. I like this little mould. It's nice. Ooh, yeah. It's soft on the bottom. That's a nice glitter, that. Very nice glitter. Shame that one's not so shiny. I could go over it with resin. But, right, and this one's done. Nice top coat, all finished. Wake up and make up. Now, oh, see, and that one covers it a bit, but that one's fine. Put your makeup brushes in that, or your Q-tips or something. That'd make a nice addition to somebody's dressing table. Lovely, I like it. I hope you like it too. That glitter's fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. I think I'll be ordering some more of both, really, because the silver one's really nice as well. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've been on a bit of a glitter kick. It's because I got loads of it from Temu. I just thought, oh, go on, let's have a bit of a glitter month fest. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you for the next one. Bye.